Hey you guys, it's Juliana. I want to welcome you to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the very basics of applying false eyelashes. So first, let's talk about the tools that you will need. You'll need to start off with eyeliner. Gel, liquid, or pencil liner is perfect for the job. Any liner that you are familiar with or comfortable with. Next, you will need lash glue, cuticle scissors, or some small form of scissors that will cut something small like lashes, mascara, and finally, your preference of false lashes. First, we're going to start off by applying eyeliner. Eyeliner is crucial to hiding the band of strip lashes. The strip lashes have this kind of a thick or thin band that comes on the lash that holds each individual lash in place. And placing that on the eyelid with glue can kind of show the lash and kind of tell on itself and look a little bit fake. So in order to camouflage that band, we're going to apply a dark colored eyeliner to the eyelid first. Next, we're going to follow up the look by applying mascara to your lashes before applying false lashes. This helps your real lashes curl up in the direction where the false lashes are going to kind of sit on top and interlock with them a little later. Now with your tweezers, we're going to remove the first lash from the inner corner of the lash and peel it off of the self-adhesive from the actual plastic packet. Then we're going to do what's called fit the lash. What we're going to do is, without any glue or any product on the actual lash, just using the self-adhesive that already comes on it that sticks it to the plastic, we're going to go ahead and measure it against our actual eye line. Start by placing the lash along the outer corner of the eye and then measure it into the inner corner of the eye. This way you'll know how much to cut off. When trimming the lash, we always cut from the inner corner. We're always going to trim from the inner corner out. So how much ever, lash is too long for the eye, always trim from the inner corner. Now it's time to apply glue. Squirt a tiny amount of glue on the back of your hand, apply the cap back onto the glue, and then use the cap of the glue to apply a significant amount of glue to the band of the lash, right onto the top of the lash. You almost want to place the amount as if you were applying peanut butter to a sandwich, right? Too much peanut butter will stick to the top of your mouth, but not enough peanut butter, then you can't actually taste it. So you want just enough. You want enough that it's going to stick, but not enough glue that it's going to be runny. Now here's one big mistake that's often made, is applying the glue and then attaching it immediately to the eye. No, you want to wait about 15-20 seconds for the glue to get a little tacky before applying it to the eye. That'll give it some grip. Now it's time to actually apply the lash. You're going to look down into your mirror and apply the last lash on top of your lash, actually gluing it to the eyelid. Now make sure your hand's free before moving on, making sure that last lash is actually stuck to the lid. Then gently you're going to inch by inch push each section of the eyelash onto your eye line. Not on top of the eyelashes, but onto the eye line. Basically on top of your eyeliner until the inner corner is attached. After that, you want to wait about 5 to 10 minutes for the glue to dry. You'll notice the glue is drying because the color of the glue will actually change. Then after that, your your lashes are dry, you can apply another amount of mascara to the false lashes, and that's it. Do you guys remember that amount of glue that was on the back of your hand? Well, actually, if you start to kind of rub it in a kind of a circular direction, it will peel right off, kind of like Elmer's glue a little bit. And then you'll have clear, clean skin. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.